Welcome back to AutoCar, the channel where innovation, technology, and power come together. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the latest updates on the world's most advanced machines, from cutting-edge vehicles to powerful naval engineering marvels. Today, we're diving into one of the most impressive and strategically vital warships ever built, the next-generation Type 075 Landing Helicopter Dock, or LHD. Officially unveiled, this new vessel represents a monumental leap in naval technology, bringing unmatched versatility and strength to modern amphibious warfare. The Type 075 is China's answer to the need for a fully capable multi-role amphibious assault ship. Designed to carry helicopters, landing craft, armored vehicles, and hundreds of troops, this vessel serves as a floating command center for complex military operations. Measuring approximately 237 meters in length and displacing around 40,000 tons, the Type 075 rivals the world's most advanced assault ships in scale and capability. Its flight deck can host up to 30 helicopters, including transport, attack, and anti-submarine variants, all of which can take off and land simultaneously. The ship's internal hangar and elevator system allow rapid deployment, ensuring fast transitions between air and sea operations. It's not just a carrier, it's a full-fledged amphibious assault platform capable of projecting power far beyond coastal waters. What sets the new generation Type 075 apart is its advanced digital combat management system. This system integrates air, sea, and ground coordination into one unified interface, providing real-time data and decision-making support. It's equipped with modern radar arrays, communication systems, and defensive weaponry to ensure maximum survivability even in high-threat environments. The vessel's internal docking well can accommodate air-cushioned landing craft (LCACs), enabling the rapid transport of troops and heavy equipment from sea to shore. Combined with the helicopters on deck, the Type 075 can launch full-scale amphibious assaults without relying on traditional ports or runways. Inside, the ship features advanced crew facilities, automation systems, and a robust power generation setup to support long-duration missions. With its next-generation propulsion system, it can achieve a top speed of around 23 knots, maintaining agility for its size and mission scope. Strategically, the Type 075 enhances China's blue water naval capabilities, extending its operational range and giving its navy the ability to conduct large-scale humanitarian, peacekeeping, and combat operations far from home waters. In essence, the new Type 075 Landing Helicopter Dock isn't just a warship, it's a symbol of future maritime power, a floating fortress capable of dominating both air and sea. That's all for today's deep dive into the next generation Type 075 LHD. What do you think about this massive advancement in naval technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoCar for more content on groundbreaking machines and next-gen technology from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.